It's lovely, you know. It's a good location.
Yeah. Nice and close to everything.
Yeah, that's it.
It's nice and neat.
Where's
UTAS?
Yeah, is this around the corner here? Is that the main
Yeah,
thing?
virtually right in front of you.
Is it?
It's sort of hidden. Yeah, virtually straight ahead, but it's sort of curved around there. There's probably more to the right-hand side.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, I can just see the top of the
All
building.
those buildings there.
Yeah, yeah.
Those white. I think that's it there. Yeah.
Yeah.
And the casino's just around the corner as well. So that's Mount Nelson up there at the top, the lookout, and where all the trees are. Yeah, lots of expensive real estate around there.
Yeah. Well, good aspect.
Yeah.
Wonderful view.
Yeah. Princess Mary grew up just down a bit further in Taroona.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah. Just around the corner. It's nice seeing two coming at once.
Oh, it's lovely.
So have you sailed much yourself? Or?
Oh, yeah, but not big.
No.
This is just, you know, my idea was coming in at night.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why they have
Bye.